Hi everyone, I am Dr. Yesh Nishok from EC Department, SNS College of Technology. Here we are gathered to discuss the topic based on case study, the role of integrated circuits, that is shortenly named as ICs, in digital clocks and watches. Okay, so from one by one we can discuss the in and out of this ICs based on the timing application.
Introduction. Hello everyone. We wear watches every day, check the time on digital clocks, and even use alarm clocks without thinking. Have you ever wondered how these tiny clocks know the correct times? What ticking inside them? The answer lies in a small but a powerful component called an integrated circuits (IC). In this video, we will explore how the IC are the heart of time digital keeping devices like watches and clocks.
Next.
Integrated circuit. An integrated circuit is a small chip that made of a semiconductor material, usually silicon. They are made up of tiny electronic components like transistors, resistors, diodes, and capacitors. They are interconnected to perform some functions like amplification or computation. They are the basic building blocks of modern electronics. And there are two main types in integrated circuits. They are analog integrated circuit and digital integrated circuit. Analog integrated circuit deals with the continuous signals, and digital integrated circuit deals with the binary data. ICs paved the way for the modern electronics, such as the microprocessors. They are the brains of the computers. And without ICs, modern electronics would not be possible.
Yes.
Hello everyone, let us discuss how does a digital watch works. A digital watch may look like simple, but it performs multiple operations. It actually consists of a power source, quartz crystal oscillator, control circuit, display driver IC, and a power source. A power source is it consists of battery which supplies the power source for the watch. Next, quartz crystal oscillator. Quartz crystal oscillator, it oscillates at a precise frequency of 32,762 times per second. Next, timing IC. The timing IC, which counts and calculates the minutes, hours, and seconds. Next, display driver IC, which determines the watt numbers to display in the display. Next, memory, which stores the alarm, data, and time. So, in a digital watch, IC plays a major role in controlling the logic operations and the mathematical operations in a digital watch.
Let me say about the key functions of IC in a stopwatch or a stop clock in a digital thing, and let's get deeper into what IC does. Oscillator sends steady pulses and the IC counts them to know when 1 second has passed. The IC sends signal to 7 segment LEDs and LCDs to show the correct digit. And when you press a button, the IC detects them and detects it whether the performance or the performing tasks are done in a correct appropriate way, like when you set an alarm or start and stop watch, like when you change the time or set an alarm, the changes will be set in a non-volatile memory, and it also converts counted pulses into readable units, that is seconds to minutes and minutes to hours.
Okay, let's look at the real-time example of embedded system. The Casio F91W is the digital watch, a classic that's been around for decades. At it is the core is a single chip integrated circuit. It does it all. It keeps a track of time, manages the calendar, controls the alarm and horlicks him, and he even responds to button presses. All the watch's logics are built into one chip. Let it here see a teardown is small but incredibly powerful. What is the more impressive? It consumes the less than 1 microwatt power, so a tiny battery lasts up to 7 years. And then the efficient is embedded design in action.
So, before the invention of integrated circuits in the late 1950s, the electronic devices were built using discrete components like transistors, vacuum tubes, and capacitors. And these circuits were very bulky, large, and have consumes large power. So, for example, the first computer made that filled the entire room. So, and it also requires a high energy consumption. Then came the invention of integrated circuits. After the invention of integrated circuits, they were very faster, smaller, and more reliable. We used in daily purposes like smartphones. They are used in many things. So without ICs, modern electronics would not be possible, and they are also transformed the electronic industry from big sized power that filled the entire room into a small sized powerhouse.
Not only in smartphones, so because of its accuracy and more sort of applications, it is used widely. Okay.
Advantages of integrated circuits in timekeeping devices. IC kept more intelligence on timekeeping devices because it performs Bluetooth, and we can set alarms. And next thing, cost effective. It can produce a large number of mass production in a low cost and low power consumption. It consumes very low power.
Okay, we can see where we are see the RTC at this time.
So what is RTC?
Real time clock.
Clock, right.
I see that's handle the time are everywhere. Not only watches, you will find them in like smart home devices, microwaves, and fitness band. And it is uses the real time clock RTC ICs, or it keeps the time accurate even when even when the power is off.
So this type of RTCs are now available in market with various advantages like temperature stability during variation in temperature, and non-volatile RAMs. It is inbuilt with non-volatile RAMs, and good power consumption. So like that, a very wide range of RTCs are available in the market.
Conclusion: integrated circuits transformed how we manage time, from bulky clocks to the smarter time devices. It's amazing how a tiny chips plays a major role behind the scenes. In future, engineers knows about the IC's chips to build even smarter devices tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, we have discussed in and out about the topic of role of ICs in digital clocks and watches. So thank you for gathering here. We can join in the next video.
Okay, thank you, sir.